Hello viewers, use the designs here, explore the more and more shapes. We will try to add some designs. So use a new structure. We will find a shape here and it creates some custom shapes here. I will make the further design. So we will use the shapes here. Now try to make the changes. Add some designs from there. Thank you for watching.